Hi, in this article, we are going to see about AWS identity with some use case actually. So if you see here, I have, in this case, I am just using only one AWS account, and I'm going to give some users, say Alice and Susan, with some permission, say root admin, and another user I'll give, say, some policy power user access. Okay, so we are going to define some policy, something called administration policy, and we'll give some permission for power user access, and we'll map to the some group, user group, and from that we'll come to know. Okay, so let me jump into the demo part. Okay, so just go there. If you go to my console, let me go to AWS IAM role. Yeah, so already I created some users. So in this case, let me create some users actually. Say I say something called as per the use case. We say Alice and Susan. Okay. Yeah, Alice. Okay. So now I'm creating a user called Alice, and I have already some group. Let me create some group which I will make as a something called developer. Say developer team. Create a group. I create a developer group. Now I will map to this guy to a developer group, and I need to, and I'll create a user. Okay. So I created a develop Alice, and he belongs to developer still. And if you see his group, he is belongs to developer. Now what I'll do, I'll add some permissions. To add a permission, I'll add a permission. There are different kind of things you can do. One is you have AWS provide its own custom permission where you can just map it and add it. So you don't have to create already pre-built templates are there. You can use it. So I'm going to add. So this part I'll go to next because I already a part of the group. I'll go to next. Okay. So it's asking, do you want to add any group to this permission? Okay. I'll just say add the attaching policy directly. So if you see here, I have a different kind of permissions. So AWS, so in this case, you have different permissions. So what I'll do, I'll just add, say S3 full access. So S3 has, so developer, I'm giving one of the developer, only he need a full access for S3. So I'm just attaching. But the real time, this is not the case. I'm just giving a custom scenario, and I've added with S3 full access. And so the policy has been attached. Okay, if you come to the user, so now I have created a user called Alice, and if you see here, uh, I am not given, so you can give two type of access. One is console level, AWS console level, other is programmatic access. So if you come here, if you come to the I think credential part, you can give enable, you can enable console access, and you can, so while giving access to Alice, either you can generate the password, auto generate, and share the password, or you can define your own password and share it. So I generate the password, and after that, this is the password. Okay, and I need to log in via this root ID. So we will paste it in somewhere in our notepad, and we'll try to log in. So I'm just pasting this one. So this is the thing, and we'll see the user also. Okay. Just pasting somewhere else. So I'm pasting here. Username is Alice. Okay. Now what I'll do is, I have got the password. Now what I'll do, I'll sign out and I try to log in. So only S3 bucket I can have access full. So let me go to S3. So you can see what all the things are there. So these are the mostly 13 buckets are there in. Okay. Now I'll sign out and I log in with the IAM user. Login back. So you can log in with root account and as well as IAM user. Root account is a main user. So usually people won't use root account. They'll use IAM user because it's a very owner of that account use mainly. So I am going to use that Alice. So it's asking the 16-digit account number. So what happened? This is a 16-digit account number. You can paste it here, or you can directly put that URL in. So I'm giving sign in. So it's asked which one. I'm using Alice. So this is the password. Yeah, I log in. Now I go in AWS. We have different kind of resources. Now I'll go to EC2. It will show an error message. So I'm restricting the access. Only it able to go for S3 only. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. You see here, you are not authorized. You can't go to lambdas because I've given the permission to. I have given the permission to only to S3. So in this way, I'm restricting, not giving the full access. So this is I used existing permission. In future video, we try to use our own custom thing. So it's not allowing to see anything. Now, if I go to S3, you can able to see full thing. So in this way, I can define my own policy and I can do whatever I want actually. Okay, see, I can delete this object also. Now I try to delete. Don't delete, I think so. Because if you have a data in your bucket, it will show some warning. Yeah. So first I need to empty it, then I have to come back. So I just want to show you. So I'm going to delete this and I'm making empty. Yeah, deleted. Now what I'll do is I come to S3. I just come here, select, and I'll say delete. Oh, I think it's deleting, I think so. So let me refresh it and see. It's not deleted, right? Oh, still not deleted. Okay. That's why you can say empty. You can mark it as permanently deleted. And since I am not given, you should not have. So once it's deleted, then I can mark it, go to the S3. I go to back. Now I select this, then I delete it. It will ask for confirmation. So give the same bucket name and delete it. Over. So just want to show you actually I have a full access to S3 bucket, nothing else. So that is the thing. So Alice has only access to only he belongs to developer role and he has only the permissions to S3 bucket. So in future you can do only he can able to read it, he can't do a delete, only list it. That also you can do it. So that's not a big thing. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see in future videos creating customs and other things. Thank you. Bye.